Student, let us discuss today the topic water resources. Water is a vital auxiliary for all living beings, although it's a renewable resource. Scarcity of quality water is felt in many parts of the world. We need water to grow food, keep clean, generate electricity, control fire, and last but not the least, we need it to stay alive. Student, world ocean water covers about 75% of the surface of the earth. Therefore, the earth is called the water planet. Ocean water is saline and not fit for human consumption. Fresh water is just about 2.7% of the total water. Global warming and perpetuating water pollution have made a considerable part of available fresh water unfit for human consumption. As a result, water is very scarce. Student steps to need to be taken to conserve water. Water is renewable, but its overuse and pollution make it unfit for use. Sewage, industrial use, chemicals, etc. pollute water with nitrates, metals, and pesticides. Use of water resources. Student, water resources are used for agricultural, industrial, domestic, recreational, and environmental activities. Majority of the uses require fresh water. However, about 97% of water found on the earth is salt water and only 3% is fresh water. Little over two-thirds of the available fresh water is frozen in glaciers and polar ice caps. The remaining fresh water is found mainly as groundwater, and a negligible portion of it is present on the ground or in the air. Student, following is a brief account of how water is used in different sectors. Agriculture use. Agriculture counts for 69% of all water consumption, basically in agricultural economies. Agriculture, therefore, is the largest consumer of the earth's available fresh water. By 2050, and the global water demand for agriculture is estimated to increase by a few further 19% due to irrigation needs. Expanding irrigation needs are likely to put undue pressure on water storage. It is still inconclusive whether further expansion of irrigation as well as additional water withdrawals from rivers and groundwater will be possible in future. Industrial use. Student, water is the lifeblood of the industry. It is used as a raw material, coolant, a solvent, a transport agent, and as a source of energy. Manufacturing industries account for a considerable share in the total industrial water consumption. Besides paper and allied products, chemicals and primary metals are major industrial users of water. Student, worldwide, the industry accounts for 19% of total consumption In industrialized countries, however, industries use more than half of the water available for human use. Now let us discuss about the domestic use. It includes drinking, cleaning, personal hygiene, moving out of the countryside to the ever expanding cities. This trend has important implications of our water resources. Government and communities have had to start building large water supply systems to deliver water to new populations and industries. Of all water consumption in the world, domestic use accounts for about 12%. Today, the leading hydropower generation countries are China, the US, Brazil, Canada, India, and Russia. Use of navigation and recreation. Navigable waterways are defined as water courses that have been or may be used for transport of interstate or foreign commerce, agricultural and commercial goods are moved on water on a large scale in a number of regions of the in the world. Water is also used for recreational purposes such as boating, swimming, and sporting activities. These uses affect the quality of water and pollute it. Highest priority should be given to public health and drinking water quality while permitting such activities in reservoirs, lakes, and rivers.